we feel proud to announce that one of our students, maybe more, but as information received, one our youngs, I mean, I mean students from North Liberty High Secondary School, Jowai, Mr. Mendelssohn Langston, class 12, completed Ministry of this batch, has qualified for prestigious JEE Advanced Exam 2025, and he got admission for BTech uh, courses in Iit-Madras. So, and also, if we look back to the last year, Mr. Jonathan Sangma from Tura, he also cracked in JEE with the highest rank in the country. He got admission in IIT Bombay. So this gives us the impressive, inspiring message to every one of us as a government. We feel proud that our children are doing better. Maybe these are all collective efforts from the parents, from the community, from the schools, from the teachers, and from the government too. And I've been told by the teachers that the decision of the state government to adopt NCERT textbook, it's really seeing the result. So many has been qualified for others national level exam, be it NEET, be it JEE. So this is what we are happy to that at least our students are doing excellently better in the various national level exam and so on. Yeah.
Will the government go for a training center so that they can excel?
Look, this is what we have a small training for our civil service aspirant now. Yeah, we need more. We need more. So this is not enough. Of course, we need more. Yes, definitely in the future. Yes, definitely government is working out to have more center which will be specifically training our young people